Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to make complex selections visible using mask overlay. Begin with a rough selection and open Select and Mask. Switch to Mask Overlay View mode to instantly identify difficult areas. The colored overlay helps reveal missed edges and overlapping details. Use the Brush tool to carefully refine complex regions such as overlapping objects or detailed textures. Adjust brush size and zoom level frequently for better accuracy. Toggle between view modes to confirm selection clarity. Once refined, output as a layer mask. This technique improves visibility and control.